Everybody. I am painting over this pour today. It just doesn't call out to me, so I'm going to change it. I have taped the edges of the canvas, and I'm going to do a mallet smash with kind of a floating, like it's going to puddle because of the edges. So I'm going to do a mallet smash. There's going to be a lot of paint. And then I'll let the tape go and tilt. So it'll be a tilted mallet smash. So something a little bit different. Let me snag my gloves. I've been using these gloves now for this will be my third time. I don't know why I never reused them before. Waste not, want not. So I'm just going to pour. This is my house paint with Floetrol and water. Get a nice. This is going to be very messy, I think. I think it will be. And there is also the chance that, God, this is going to be really messy. Well, we'll try it anyways. So I got Arteza Carmine Red, Soho Magenta, Pearl Gold Copper with Iridescent Medium in it, some kind of orange, and Dreamy Lemon Yellow. Alright, so I got the yellow down. Now let's go for orange. Oh, this is going to be a mess. I'm not going to smash it very hard because, oh my God, that paint will go everywhere. Now for the copper. Whoops. And then Soho Magenta, which is such a pretty magenta. Alrighty. And now the Arteza Carmine Red, which is a delicious red. It's 8 in the morning here. I can't believe I'm up and in my studio at 8 in the morning. But my dog was getting crazy biting me because she's a puppy and that's what she does. So I put her in her kennel and was like, I should probably leave the room and go do something. So that's why I'm down here. Paint booger. Oh, this is really thick. This is going to be a disaster. Oh, oh my. Don't try this at home, kids. Well, I don't know why I am trying to mop up my pants. Sure looks pretty though. Now let's take the tape off. Hopefully it doesn't all fall off the sides. this is pretty. But it's going to mainly be tilted off, I think. Yep, it's going to be mainly tilted off. I can't leave it, it's way too thick. I think I'm going to do a hard tilt down here and then bring it back. Oops, I see a paint booger. So it kind of lost its mallet smashiness. If I could have just left it right as it was, that would have been very cool. Another smash too. Not a mallet smash anymore, that's for sure, but it's really pretty. I think I like it like that. Let's see how deep it is. It's kind of deep, we'll see how it dries. Brought up a lot of white cells. I'm not so sure I like that anymore. I think I'll do a flip cup over it. So I'm gonna get my colors back. And I'm going to pour them into a little cup. So I got my yellow, my red, which just finished out the red. Orange. Pink. We're just going to do a regular old-fashioned flip cup on this. Flip and drag. That looks better. More color. I like the top or side like this. Much better. Can always save a painting. And I'm not going to torch it. I don't want white cells popping up, so I'm going to leave it alone. And bring you over to look at it. I think it turned out pretty well. I still love how it looked right after that mallet smash, right after I smashed it, but 'twas not to be. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.